Welcome. Thank you for signing up for this program, Money from the Sky, brought to you by APF Trading. Before we begin, the authors and publisher assume no responsibilities for actions taken by readers and attendees. This e-learning video is for educational purposes only. Please take a few moments to read the disclaimer. Now that we have an understanding of the background and history of the Ichimoku, let us dive right into the individual components. We will begin with the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen. As mentioned earlier, the Tenkan Sen in green is the 9-period equilibrium. This is basically the average of the highest high and lowest low for the past 9 periods. Likewise, the Kijun Sen in red also highlights the average of the highest high and lowest low, but for 26 periods. This is a similar chart, but instead of candlesticks, it displays the Ichimoku indicator on bar charts. Traders may have individual preferences with regards to price display, be it candlesticks or bar charts, but it does not affect the use of the Ichimoku. For the purposes of this video, we will be using the Ichimoku on candlestick charts. Here you see the formula for both Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen. Because the Tenkan Sen measures a shorter period, it is the faster moving line. Kijun Sen measures price equilibrium for 26 periods, so it is the slower moving line. Those of you familiar with moving averages may find the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen similar. However, the difference is that, while Tenkan and Kijun Sen use the average of the highest high and lowest low, simple moving averages take the average of the closing prices. The differences are clearer when you see them both on the same chart. Here we have the Kijun Sen in red, and a simple moving average in purple, both measuring price action for 52 periods. You will notice that the Kijun Sen often displays flat horizontal lines, due to its calculation of highest high and lowest low. On the other hand, the moving average is more smoothed out. In this example, we see that the Kijun Sen more closely tracks prices. Over here, it offers more accurate support compared to the simple moving average, and over here, it serves as an accurate resistance line. Because of this characteristic, traders often take reference to the Kijun Sen when placing their stop losses. As the Kijun Sen was acting as support on the left of this chart, we see that once price broke the support line, a bearish trend followed, with the Kijun Sen turning from support to resistance. As the Kijun Sen measures equilibrium for the past 26 periods, while the Tenkan Sen only measures that for 9 periods, the Kijun Sen has longer periods of flat, horizontal lines, and offers a more significant support and resistance. As it takes the average of the highest high and lowest low, it is effectively the 50% retracement between the highest high and lowest low. Therefore, it is also common for traders to wait for retracements to the Kijun Sen before entering their trades. As mentioned earlier, Ichimoku is a one-glance equilibrium chart. When prices deviate from the Kijun Sen, they are said to be at disequilibrium, and when prices are near the Kijun Sen, they are at equilibrium. Whenever Kijun Sen exhibits a flat horizontal line, it means prices are consolidating, as the highest high and lowest low, for the past 26 periods, has not changed. In such a scenario, the Kijun Sen is said to have a rubber band effect, where prices go back to the Kijun Sen, or equilibrium. If prices are making higher highs, the Kijun Sen will be angled upwards, and vice versa, angled downwards when prices are making lower lows. Similar to the moving average crossovers, whenever the faster moving Tenkan Sen crosses above the slower moving Kijun Sen, a bullish signal is generated. Correspondingly, a bearish signal is generated when the Tenkan Sen crosses below the Kijun Sen. We will visit an example next. Take a look at this chart. To the left we see Tenkan Sen crossing below Kijun Sen, generating a bearish signal. While on the right, Tenkan Sen crosses above Kijun Sen, generating a bullish signal. Also, note the flat portions of the Kijun, where we see the rubber band effect in play again, with prices retracing back to their equilibrium. That's all for the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen. You can now watch the other videos from APF Trading, where we go into detail, describing the Ichimoku components. In the meantime, Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. We look forward to hearing from you.